Today you will learn about compound words, and compound words are big words that are made up of two smaller words. Or we can say that we take two smaller words and put them together to make a bigger word. So today for your assignment, you guys have some pictures on the screen. We have football, cupcake, basketball, and ladybug. And you're going to use your pencil and paper at home to write these words on your paper. And then you are going to underline the parts that you see, the two smaller parts of that word that you see. We're going to do an example together, but I'm going to do one that's not on the screen. Example, toothbrush. I'm going to write the word toothbrush. Toothbrush. In the word toothbrush, I see two smaller parts, tooth and brush. So you guys are going to do this with your paper and pencil at home, but you're going to write the pictures, the words that you see on the screen. So you're going to do this with football, cupcake, basketball, ladybug. And I want you to underline the two parts that you see. So you're going to write the word and then underline the two different smaller parts that you see. Then upload a picture of your work or text it to your teacher.